about that, nah. Come on, Cena.
Brock Lesnar is a bitch.
Exactly. Brock Lesnar is a bitch.
Paul Heyman's always gonna say, "No, not now. Don't do it now."
Of course he's gonna say not now, cause he's a bitch nigga. He always need to be ready and work out first, and put lotion, and suck some dick probably. Look at how you guys got my boy John Cena being. Come on, like, really? Look how you got my boy. Look at him. Just look at him. Come on, Brock. Why don't you do something? Look at Paul Heyman telling him not now. Look at him. Look at him. Come on, yeah. He's saying bring it. You want some? Come get some. Yeah, you don't want none, right? Because you asked me to go work out, sleep, and eat, right? John Cena wearing a red and black. He out there for blood. He representing. Come on.
This is Lesnar's world. We all just live in it. He does what he wants when he wants. Let's get it on.
Come on, man. Dancing on the apron. No.
Damn, John. Oh, damn. It's alright. You could be doing that now, but let's see next week. It's alright, John. It's alright.
Up, John Cena.
I still love you, John.
You got him. Cena sucks because he didn't even get up. He didn't even get up.
Oh, yeah, that's my boy right there.
Don't suck.
Right.
That ain't right.
Right. Get him, Cena. Let's go, Cena. That's my boy right here, John Cena. Wow, I can't wait until he come to Bridgeport. Yeah, niggas, he coming here.
Damn.
John Cena coming to Bridgeport. Can't wait.
Brock Lesnar's using his UFC move. You see how he's trying to lock his leg around him?
Right. Get him, Cena. Come on, boy.
Oh, damn. They're stopping this match.
It might be real, right? Oh, shit. Yeah, you guys wanted to see John Cena like this, right? You guys wanted to see him like this, right? You guys wanted to see him like this, right? Right? Right. You guys wanted this, right? You guys wanted to see John Cena act crazy, right? You guys wanted it, right? Now you guys got it. See?
Yeah, he made it up.
See, man? Yeah. Yeah. Now go home and call your mommy. See how you guys got my boy? He's so mad right now. I hope Nikki gives him a nice massage tonight.
Nice blowjob.
Oh yeah, and a nice blowjob.
That bitch is a whore.
Deep throat that dick, bitch.
She's a whore.
That is a different John Cena than we saw at SummerSlam.
I was nice to her.
Yeah, John Cena, that's my boy. No disrespect to Nikki, that's my bitch too.
She's a fucking whore. She won't be with John Cena anymore.
John Cena and Nikki need to have kids. Yeah, get him, John. I love you. And I love you too, Nikki. Yo, those kids are gonna be beautiful.
They're gonna be test tube babies.